Ever wonder how your phone stays connected to the internet, even when you're speeding through a crowded city? It's not magic, it's 5G networks working behind the scenes. But when things go wrong, like a dropped call or slow download, figuring out why is a puzzle. That's where root cause analysis, RCA, steps in. Think of it as detective work for networks. Engineers trace problems back to their source, whether it's a faulty antenna, a software glitch, or something more complex. But here's the challenge. Traditional methods rely on expert knowledge and rigid rules, which can be slow and hard to scale as networks grow more complicated. Enter large language models, those AI systems that can understand and generate human-like text. Researchers are now using them to tackle RCA in 5G networks. But here's the twist. LLMs are great at handling data, but they often lack the structured reasoning needed to explain technical issues clearly. That's where a new study shines. The team created a dataset called TeleLogs, a collection of real-world troubleshooting scenarios with detailed annotations. Think of it as a training ground for AI, where models learn to diagnose problems like a seasoned engineer. But how does it work? The researchers didn't stop there. They developed a two-step approach to train their models. First, they fine-tuned the LLMs using a multi-agent pipeline that simulates how experts break down complex issues step by step. Then they used reinforcement learning, like giving the model feedback after each guess, to sharpen its diagnostic skills. The results? Their models outperformed existing systems, not just in accuracy but in clarity. They didn't just point to a problem. They explained why it happened, using structured reasoning and domain knowledge. This is a big deal, because it makes AI-powered RCA more trustworthy and actionable for network operators. So what does this mean for you? As 5G networks become smarter and more reliable, tools like these will help keep your connections stable and your data flowing. It's a glimpse into a future where AI doesn't just solve problems, it explains them step by step. Next time you're streaming a video or making a call, remember, behind the scenes, AI is working hard to make sure everything goes smoothly. And with advances like this, the future of network management is looking pretty smart.